How to fix moisture detected error on Samsung. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you're facing the issue of moisture detected error on your Samsung phone whenever you're trying to charge and there's nothing wrong with the port or the charger itself, then I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix this issue. For this, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and find the option of battery and device care. Then from here, tap on battery. Scroll down and tap on more battery settings. Then you can find the option of fast charging. So you simply want to toggle this option off. If you have any other additional options such as super fast charging or fast wireless charging, then you want to toggle those options off as well. If after doing all of this you're still facing this issue, then you simply want to plug in the charger and then switch off your phone. After it has been switched off, you simply want to leave it that way for some time, or you can also leave it that way overnight, and it's going to start charging normally and this issue will be fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.